What's up, it's Meg here, and here is the right way to do a plank. Sometimes when people are in a plank, I see them straining their neck up, and then second off, I see a lot of people pushing away from their hands here. The third thing I see is a lot of people end up dipping their lower back or bringing their hips too high. Another thing I see is people keep their feet too close together. The right way to do a high plank. So right here, hands stacked under your shoulders, your neck is in line with the rest of your spine. You're keeping your hips a little bit higher than you feel like they should, so push your belly button up toward your spine. Your feet are gonna be shoulder width apart, nice and flexed, pushing away from the ground so you're engaging your glutes. That's gonna be your ideal high plank position.